Hey guys, welcome to our first tutorial for beginner intermediate heels dancing. Today I'm going to be teaching you a sexy routine to Jojo's new song, Man. Get your heels, get your comfortable clothes, and get your sexy on. I made this routine in a way that you don't need to have and use so much space because we are indeed quarantined right now, so don't worry about it. You don't need too much space for this dance, and all I want is for you to have fun and feel sexy and feel great. Please feel free to rewind this video if you need to repeat some parts because I will be teaching it fast because I need to fit it in the 10-minute window. Anyway, let's get on with the choreography and let's get sexy. Changed my shoes because my other ones broke literally like 3 seconds before I put these on. For our first 8, we are going to start with a snap. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Alright, make sure to keep that body rolling, straighten that leg. 1, 2, 3. On 4, we're gonna release this chest and the body upwards. 4, 5, 6. On 7, we're gonna put both hands in a circular motion. Circular around, right, left, and then upwards. So basically it's 3 body waves. Small, medium, large. Kind of like a McDonald's string. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Make sure to extend everything. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From there, you're gonna turn this right arm around. 1, like a TikTok dance. Passe, single foot, inside turn. 1. Good. And we're gonna be facing sideways to the front. Alright, one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. On 4, you're gonna go down, and at the same time, your arm's gonna go up. 4. Gets. You're gonna dive down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Gets. 8, and 1. Straighten everything. Good. From the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Alright, so from 8 and 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So you're just gonna walk forward. You're gonna go 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, 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 ta. And from there, ta, ta. I don't na. The song's gonna go da na na. You're gonna go da da, single, da da, double, ta. Gets da da ta. 5, 6, 7, 8. Da da ta. Ha, da da ta. Ha, ha. And another one. Ha, ha, ha. And then ha. Super hair whip. From the top, 5, 6, 7, and 1. Ta, 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 ha, da da da, ta, 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 ha, ha. Let's try with music.
You know me, I just don't stop. I've been down, but I'm back up. No, they all had a little crush. Now they all want a little love. I've been getting comfortable on my...
Alright, let's move on to our second portion. So after you go, I've been feeling uncomfortable. You're gonna raise everything up. Comfortable. Going down on my own. On shit, we're gonna go shit. Then we're gonna put our hands on the floor and roll our ankles outwards. Ving and face forward. Me, I can't handle it. So if, we're gonna go, so if I, we're gonna grind going down. Love, pulse 1, pulse 2, some, all the way down. 1. Get? So it's 3 pulses. 5, 6, 7, 8. Love, some, 1. Let's try. 5, 6, ta-ta, ta-da. Comfortable on my own and shit. Loving you, I can handle it. Ta. If I'm gonna love someone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. And then when we hit the beat, ta, 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 ha, boom, boom. Tap, close, out, up, pulse, pulse. Ta, 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 boom, boom. And then all the way up. Let's try that with music.
You know me, I just don't stop. I've been down, but I'm back up. No, they all had a little crush. Now they all want a little love. I've been getting comfortable on my own and shit. Loving it, I can handle it, yeah. So if I'm gonna love someone, well, damn.
Alright guys, so on to the next portion. We just finished our last beat. Ta, 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 ha, boom, boom. So she says, boom, boom, hey, ta. And she says, I'm gonna love you anyway. I'm gonna put this around. I'm gonna love you anyway. Ta, 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 stay. Ta, 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 ta. So it's throw, scoop. Ta, 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 up, up. Wait, you're gonna push it down. Push, open. Push, open. 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm gonna love you anyway. Ta, 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 ta. Ta, 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 down, up, ta, 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 love me, down, like you, and you're gonna pump it. Love me, like you, love me, open. So, pump, 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 talk, like that. Alright, 5, 6, 7, 8, love me, like you, love me, like you, do, turn, boom, 2, 3, 4, ha, boom, 6, 7, 8, from here, 1, 2, you're gonna bounce, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, alright, so let's try the chorus portion, ready, 5, 6, 7, 8, ta, 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 boom, hey, ta. I'm gonna love you anyway. Ta 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 ta. Hey, open. Ta 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 ta. Love me like you love me. Love me like I care. Ha ha. Boom. 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we're gonna repeat it. Love me like I love me. Love me like I care. And that's it. Alright, so let's try it one more time from the chorus and then we'll do it from the top without music and then with music. Good job, guys. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta ta ta. Boom boom. Hey ta ta. I'm gonna love you any day. Ta 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 ta. Ha. Ta 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 ta. Love me like you love me. Love me like I care. Ha ha. Boom. Ha. Up, boom, ha, 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 boom, boom, 3 and 4. Love me like you love love me like I care. Pose. Let's try it from the top. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, ta, ta, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. 1, 2, 3, ha, ha. Ta, ta, comfortable, my own, and shit. Loving you, I can handle it. Ha, ha. And if I'm gonna lose someone, 1, 2, 5, 6, ha, 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 boom, boom, hey, ha. I'm gonna love you anyway. Ta, 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 ha, ha, boom. Ta, 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 love me. Ha, 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 boom, ha, boom, 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 ha, boom, 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 ha, boom, 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 ha, ha. Love me, care, ta, ta, pose.
You know me, I just don't stop. I've been down, but I'm back up. No, they all had a little crush. Now they all want a little love. I've been getting comfortable on my own and shit. Loving it, I can't handle it, yeah. So if I'm gonna love someone, well, damn, I'm gonna need a fucking man. Someone who want me like a thing. I need somebody who can love me like I love me like I can. Yeah, damn, I'm gonna need a fucking man. He ride for me like he stay. I need somebody who can love me like I love me like I can. Yeah, I've been looking, but he's so rare. Yeah, I know that he out there.
Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. It's a pretty simple choreography for today. But if you're interested in doing any more advanced moves or more easy or beginner ones, just let me know in the comments below and I'll always be here to make sure that you have a good time. And not in any specific dirty way, but dirty in the dance floor, of course. Don't forget to comment down below, press a like for this video, and for those of you who have just come to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click on that notification bell button to get updated on more videos and tutorials. Anyway, stay lovely, stay happy, and stay awesome. See you all next time. Bye!